So the asparagus, we're gonna broil at the last minute just with some olive oil, salt, and pepper. My favorite way to cook asparagus. To trim asparagus, what I like to do is line them up, snap one. That kind of gives you the most tender part on this side, and this is the tough woody stems. And I just use that as a guide. There we go. Into compost this goes. And that is it for prepping the asparagus. I washed it already. We're gonna adjust the oven rack to be really close to the broiler, about 4 inches thereabouts. Before throwing the asparagus into the broiler, toss it with a little olive oil, a little salt and pepper, and depending on how thick the spears of asparagus are, it could take anywhere from 8 to 10 minutes. Oh, look at that asparagus. It is gorgeous, that char on the outside, and I love it when the tips get charred like that. Oh, it is my favorite way to eat asparagus. Let it cool off just a little bit because it is piping hot. This is my kind of meal. A little spear of asparagus, perfectly cooked, nicely charred. This is a good dinner. Thanks for watching. What'd you think? Leave a comment below and let me know what you're excited to cook this week. You can get today's recipes and more for free at our website.